Hello and welcome to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this walkthrough, we're going to explore model context protocols, specifically the Zapier Model Context Protocol server, and integrating it with Cursor so that when we are actually developing projects in Cursor, we can create Slack alerts. The first thing we want to do is to integrate our model context protocol server with Cursor. You want to go to zapier.com/MCP. You'll see information about their MCP, and it allows you to connect hundreds, if not thousands, I think 8,000 applications to Cursor. If you wanted to add, I don't know, documentation to Notion based on your code, you can do that directly from Cursor. What we want to do to begin integrating the Zapier MCP server is to go to zapier.com/MCP. You want to go to get started. So if I just do that, it will take you to this, and you want to reveal this as it says. Your MCP server URL is like a password, and it can be used to run all your AI actions. So I'm not going to click to reveal this for all of you, but you're going to need this. Then you are going to open Cursor. I have a blank project in Cursor, and if I close these Cursor settings, what you're going to want to do is actually open the Cursor settings. So we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Preferences, and we're going to go to Cursor Settings. And you can see here that we have the Cursor settings. If we go down to Features, we can see NCP servers. You'll want to add new NCP server, and you can give your MCP server a name. I have given mine here Zapier MCP, and then you would put the URL here, and once you hit add, you will see it right here. And now it has access to use any tools that are available with the NCP server. You can see here the tools that I have available are Gmail. I can send email. I can actually send emails directly from Cursor, which is crazy. We have send a Slack channel message, and that is it. Those are the only tools available for my Zapier NCP server. If I go back to Zapier, what I can do is edit the actions. So if I go to edit NCP actions, you can see the actions I have available here. Send email from Gmail, and Slack, send channel message. We can add a new action. If I wanted Trello, and I wanted to create, create a card. I can have it create a card. I can have the AI guess the field, or I can have a specific value for the field. And all I do is enable action, and that action is now available to the NCP server. I would just want to make sure it's available here. So what I generally do is hit refresh, and it refreshes the MCP server in Cursor. The next thing I want to do is send a hello world message to Slack. I'm going to use the composer and have agent enabled to do this, which allows it to use tools and run terminal commands and edit like multiple files or the whole code base at once. What we're going to do is send a hello world message to Slack. We're going to use the composer and use agent, which allows us to use tools. And I'm going to say, I want to remove this and say send a hello world message to Slack saying it's my first Zapier MCP server, and hit submit. So it should automatically know to use the tool, so it's calling the right tool. We hit run tool, and I believe that is sending now, and it's sent it. And we are going to go to Slack just to see that message. And if I go to Zapier MCP, you can see that it says, hello world, this is my first Zapier MCP server use case. Excited to explore automation possibilities. This is just one use case. Zapier has thousands of applications you can automate. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by email or on social media or even in the comment section below. Happy hacking.